Jasmine Stone. I'm from Stratford, from Focus C15 campaign. I used to live in a hostel called Focus C15. It's a hostel that consists of 210 flats, 180 single residents who live in there, all under the age of 25. 29 young mums were living there. On the 20th of August 2013, the 29 mums all issued with eviction notices to leave our properties by the 20th of October. So we was all really upset. We didn't know what to do. We went to the council to seek help. They registered us all officially homeless, but offered us no help. They just said we had to look for properties in Manchester, Hastings and Birmingham. So we was all really upset by that. So we all got together and wrote a letter to the council, started a petition, and that's when our campaign began. Today we've come to the Spark meeting. It's a meeting about the housing crisis, and we met with a lot of people that have been going through their own problems and people that are really willing to get involved with other campaign groups and fight for decent housing for everybody. I think just for it would actually be for more groups to get together and just for people to widen everyone's campaign, because our campaign started off with just a group of mums and now it's become a lot bigger. Like we try to help anyone we possibly can, any kind of person suffering with housing issues. So I think the key thing is for groups to just get together and unite and support each other. Yeah, we're having a march for decent social housing for everybody on the 5th of July. We're meeting at 12 o'clock at East Ham Central Park, so it'll be really great if as many people as